Well, hello. We are going to be talking about mystery bags. Now, these are a fantastic way to bring in points and to also bring in some extra sales. Now, these little bags were just from Morrison's. They're about £1.50 for 10 little unicorns. They're really, really strong. Or you can get them even cheaper at Home Bargains for 79 pence, I think it was, for about 10 of these little brown ones. You can get them at anywhere. Go on eBay, have a look on there, on Amazon. But these were both locally, so I could get, on with them and get making these mystery bags. So what are mystery bags? If you are not familiar with them, it's a mystery. You do not know what you're getting in. All you know that you are going to either spend £15, £20, £25, whatever limit you set on the products inside. So I already had some fragrances. So this one has got a fragrance in. It also has a bar of chocolate. It has the fragrance. And it also has a little pamper pack. And I always make these up to give with these sort of things, or to give to any of my challengers. They get it's just a little organza bag I've made with some bath salt, fragrance sample, little scented tea light. They've got a little face mask there, and they've got a foot pack. All these were from Poundland. So this is probably, once you've broke the pieces up, it's next to nothing. So I will probably charge 15 quid for that. I've got my money back from my perfume. I've got my money back from these, and that's it. It's not big profit. It's probably about 50 pence profit, but I've already got the points. I've already got the product out there, and this is about repeat custom. So whoever gets this mystery bag from me, hopefully they're going to want more fragrance. They are going to want more makeup or whatever you put in it. So that's the point of them, is to get some extra points in and get your money back and spread the word about your business. As I said, this one's got the perfume in. I think one of them, yeah, this one has got different. This is a totally different lucky bag, mystery bag, call them what you want. This has got a vacuum freshener in. Again, another bar of chocolate. Just multi-packs. It has got a lip plumping gloss. It has got an eyeliner in. It's got a pen, but also it's got a lucky egg. Now, if you've maybe seen my other videos, I like my lucky eggs because I put surprises in here. This one has got a voucher, so they can get a voucher off the next order. It has a sample. This one has got the LCD cleaner in it. And then you can put, some face creaming, foundation, whatever you want, you can put in there. So that all goes into that little lucky egg. You can put like even a bigger discount off the next order. Or they could get, I don't know, 50% off a product or whatever. It's up to you what you put in these. These, you can get them in multi-packs from eBay. They've maybe still got some in Hobbycraft. Just go Googling little plastic eggs. And as you can see, it's just a little foldable one. Perfect for putting samples in. And it gets people testing your products. And hopefully, as I say, come back for more at full price. So there we go. That's how. Oh no, I forgot actually. What else I do for my little photos? Now you have to pretend, because my daughter's had hands on this one, is I use these little boards, and then I'll put it up on my little sideboard, put my little mystery bags up, and then you can put your Instagram handle on there. She won't be happy with that, will she? You can put your Instagram handle on here, so that people, I would have the price of my bags, 15, whatever. And that's it. So it's just a way to make a little display look nice, and then you've got that photo to keep using time after time after time. So there we go, my mystery bags.